Good morning, children. Let's continue with exercise 12.3, question number 7. This exercise is a very important exercise. Any of the question can be asked for the exam. Question number 7. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So, given ABCD is a square and each side is given as 14 centimeter. It is clearly given that with the centers A, B, C, D, 4 equal circles are drawn such that each of them are touching each other, which shows that the radius of the quadrant formed here, there are 4 quadrants formed here, and the radius of each quadrant being 7 centimeter. So how do you find the area of the shaded region? Area of the shaded region is area of the square minus area of 4 quadrants. Area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants, which is the same as area of the square formula is a square minus 4 into area of one quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square, or 4 quadrants will make a circle. Substituting the formula, the side of the square is given as 14. 14 square minus 22 by 7 into radius of the quadrant is 7. 7 into 7. 14 square is 196 minus 7 twos are 14. 154 or 242 centimeter square. This is a very important 2-mark question. Question number 8. Another important 3-mark question. Figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Underline the word semicircular. The distance between 2 inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge and area of the track. First, let me explain how to draw this track. It is very clearly said that there are 2 parallel tracks and each of that length is given as 106 meter, and then the ends are semicircular. Similarly, this side also, the ends are semicircular. And now, distance between the 2 parallel lines, inner parallel line is given as 60 meter, which shows that each half part is, that means the center of the semicircle is, let's mark it as O, and the radius of the semicircle can be found out as 30 meter, and the track is 10 meter wide throughout. Throughout the track is 10 meter wide. The first part of the question is to find the distance around the inner edge of the track. The inner edge, you can find out distance around the inner edge of the track is equal to, there are 2 straight portions of 106 meter, that means 2 times the length of that straight portion, plus 2 semicircular region, it is the circumference of a circle. So by substituting the formula, 2 into 106 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 30. that is 212 plus, it is 44 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 1320 by 7 by LCM. 7 2s are 14. 7 plus 1 8. 1484 plus 320 by 7. Which is the same as 2804 by 7 meter. Since it is a perimeter, it is 2804 by 7 meter. And now the second part of the question is to find the area of the track. Let's find out the area of the rectangular portion and then area of a ring. You can see when that two portions are combined, it will take the formula for area of a ring. So area of the track is equal to area of two rectangles, 2 into area of one rectangular portion plus area of ring. The formula has to be substituted. That is 2LB plus area of a ring is pi r plus r into r minus r, which is the same as 2 into the length of the part is 106, breadth is 10 meter because each track is 10 meter wide, plus the value of pi not mentioned, so 22 by 7 into, you can see the outer radius is 30 plus 10, 40 plus 30 into 40 minus 30, which is the same as 2120 plus 22 by 7 into 70 into 10, or 2120 plus 2200, that is 4320 meter square. So the first question is to find the perimeter of the inner edge, and the second part is to find the area of the track. This can be asked as a 3-mark question for the exam. Question number 9. In the figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O and which are perpendicular to each other. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. That means the radius of the outer circle, when you see, that is 7 centimeter, and now the diameters are perpendicular, so the radius of the smaller circle is 7 by 2 centimeter. Area of shaded region, let's mark it as 1, 2 and 3. Area of shaded region is equal to area of the shaded region 1 or the part 1 plus area of part 2 plus area of part 3. Area of 1 and area of 2 is formed as area of semicircle minus area of right triangle. So let's find out as area of part 1 and 2 is equal to area of semicircle minus area of right triangle, which is equal to area of semicircle is half pi r square minus area of right triangle is half base into altitude, half into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 minus half into base of the triangle is 14, height is 7, which is equal to 77 minus 49, or it is 9 to get 17 is 8, or 28 centimeter square. Area of shaded region 3 equal to area of circle, which is pi r square. The radius is 7 by 2, which is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, or it is 77 by 2, or 38.5 centimeter square. What is the area of shaded region in total now? Area of shaded region is equal to 28 plus 38.5, which is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. This question is a very important question with the same numbers or with the same values. It used to be asked for the exam. Question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and the value of root 3, if you note, it is given as 1.73205. When you compare with the area of the equilateral triangle, the value of root 3, they have given to 5 decimal places. So, area of an equilateral triangle is given as 17,320.5 centimeter square. Area of the equilateral triangle is equal to 17,320.5 centimeter square. And now the circles are drawn with the radius equal to half the length of the side. So let's find out the side of the equilateral triangle. Formula for area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 17,320.5. 1.73205 a square by 4 is equal to 17,320.5, or a square is equal to 4 into 17,320.5 by 1.73205. Let's remove the decimal place by multiplying with 45. As many number of places after the decimal into, with one decimal place, with 1 0, this 5 will be shifted and it will be 4 into 0.5 divided by, the decimal place gets shifted, or you can see the value as 40,000, or the value of A is 200. So what will be the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle will be 100 centimeter. And now you have to find out the area of the shaded region. There are 3 sectors here, and since it is an equilateral triangle, the sector angle is 60 degree. Let's find out the area of 3 sectors. How do you find the area of the shaded region? Area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Let's find the area of one sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, which is equal to 60 by 360 into, the pi value is 3.14 into 100 into 100. Therefore, area of 3 sectors is the same as 3 into 60 by 360. 3.14 into 100 is 314 into 100. This is 6 and by 2, or it is 157. It is 15,700 centimeter square. Now what is area of shaded region? Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors, which is equal to 17,320.5 minus 15,700 or 6. It is 1,620.5 centimeter square. Question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. If you look into the picture, the area of the remaining portion can be found out by subtracting the area of 9 circles from the area of the square. What is the area of a square? It is a square. But what is the side of the square? It is not given, but it can be found out by, as they have given, the radius of each circle. Each side, when you observe, there are 3 circles which are kept in order. Radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 into 7, 14 centimeter. And when you see the length of the side, it will correspond to 3 times diameters. That means side of the square is equal to 14 into 3, or it is 42 centimeter. And now area of the portion which is not included is equal to area of the square minus area of 9 circles. Area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to area of square minus area of 9 circles, which is equal to a square minus 9 times pi r square, or 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7. Radius of the circle is 7 into 7. 42 square. 42 into 42. 4 2s are 8. 1,764 minus 22 into 9 sevens are 63. 22 into 63. 1,386. It's 8 for 378 centimeter square. The next question. In the figure, OACB represents a quadrant of a circle. OACB represents a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means 1/4 of a circle, with center O and radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. The quadrant radius is 3.5 centimeter. If OD length is 2 centimeter, find number 1 area of quadrant OACB, number 2 area of shaded region. So area of quadrant is equal to area of quadrant OACB is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square, 1 by 4, 22 by 7, 3.5 into 3.5. 0.5 by 2 is 11, which is equal to 11 into 5. 5.5 into 3.5 divided by 2. 55 into 35. Divided by 2, that means 19.25 divided by 2. 9 2s are 18, 9.625 centimeter square. And now what is the area of the shaded region? Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of right triangle, because it's a quadrant, the angle is 90 degree, which is equal to 9.625 minus area of a right triangle is half into this radius is 3.5. That means one of the side is OB and the other side is OD. Half into 3.5 into 2. OD length is given as 2 centimeter, or 9.625 minus 3.5, or it is 6.125 centimeter square. Question number 13. In the figure, square OABC is inscribed in quadrant OPBQ. OPBQ is a quadrant and OABC is a square. So the radius of the quadrant is not known to you, but only the side of the square is known to you. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi as 3.14. Now, OB represents the radius of the quadrant also, and it also represents the diagonal of the square. The formula for diagonal of a square is root 2 into side, which can also be obtained as a right triangle by applying Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OAB, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, or OB is equal to square root of 20 square plus 20 square, root 400 plus 400, which is equal to square root 800. 800 by 2, 400 by 2, 200 by 200 by 2, 50 by 2, 25 by 5, 5, or 5 2s are 10, 10 into 2, 20 root 2. The same as 20 root 2. That means the radius of the quadrant is 20 root 2 centimeter. And now area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of quadrant formula is 1 by 4 pi r square minus a square. 1 by 4, 3.14 into, the radius is 20 root 2, 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus, the side of the square is 20, so it is 400, or 4 and 20 is 5, then 3.14 into 20 into 5 is 100, root 2 into root 2 is 2, so 200 minus 400, that is 3.14 into 2 is 6.28, with multiplication by 100 it is 628 minus 400, or 228 centimeter square. Now question number 14, it's a very familiar question to you. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. So here area of shaded region is equal to area of the bigger sector minus area of the smaller sector, which is equal to 30 by 360 into pi into the bigger sector is 21 square minus 30 by 360 into pi into 7 square. Let's take the common factor outside. 22 by 7 into 21 square minus 7 square, 30 by 360, 22 by 7, 21 plus 7 is 28, 21 minus 7 is 14. By 12, 6, 11, then 7 4s are. By 6 by 2 is 3, 7, or it is the same as 11 into 28 by 3. 308 by 3 centimeter square. We can also represent it as decimals. Question number 15. ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. It's a very important and frequently asked question for the board exam. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. You can see how to draw the figure as ABC as a quadrant of a circle. This represents a quadrant. And now of radius 14 centimeter. The radius is given as 14 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. That means you have to join BC. You don't know the length of BC. With BC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded region. You are asked to find out the area of this shaded region. So by looking into the figure, you can see BAC represents a quadrant, means it is a sector. BAC is a triangle from which this portion is a segment. The part 1 will represent a segment. And now a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. How to get the area of the shaded region? It will be area of semicircle minus area of this segment. So first the concept is to find the area of the segment. Before that, for area of semicircle, we don't have the radius of the semicircle. So the first step is to find out the radius of the semicircle. And now BC is equal to, in triangle BAC, BC is equal to square root of AB square plus AC square root of 14 square plus 14 square root of 196 plus 196, or it is 392, very well the same as 14 root 2. You can double check because it's a part like a square. We understood that when the diagonal of a square is root 2 into side, here also it's a right triangle with the same measure. It will be 14 root 2 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter is 14 root 2 centimeter, or radius of semicircle equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. And now to calculate the area of segment. Area of segment or area of part 1 is equal to, the region marked as 1 is equal to area of quadrant minus area of right triangle, which is equal to 1 by 4, 22 by 7. The quadrant radius is 14 into 14 minus area of triangle is again half into 14 into 14, which is 7 2s are by 2 or 7. 22 into 7, 154 minus 98 or 56 centimeter square. What will be area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square, which is equal to half into 22 by 7. The diameter of the semicircle is 14 root 2. So radius is 7 root 2. 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is getting cancelled as 2, or 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment, which is 154 minus 56, or it is the same as 98 centimeter square. You can also do it together by taking common factor, but better if you proceed in different steps, it's easy to understand. Question number 16, the last question in the exercise. Calculate the area of the designed region common between the two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter. So given a square, each angle is 90 degree and the side measures 8 centimeter, and now the design is in such a way that this area has to be found out. If you join the diagonal BD, you can see this design is the area which has taken as the shape of two segments. The designed portion can be found out if you find the area of the two segments, that is 1 and 2. Since it is a square and each side measures 8, it is very well the same as 2 times area of one segment. So, area of the design is equal to 2 times area of segment, which is equal to 2 into, what is the area of a segment? Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into altitude, which is equal to 2 into 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius of the quadrant is 8 into 8 minus, it's a right triangle, half into base is also 8, altitude is also 8. Let's simplify. 9 4s are by 2, 11 and by 4. So 2 into 11 4s are 44 into 8, 32, 3, 52 by 7 minus 32 by LCM, 32 into 7, 7 2s are 14, 224, 352 minus 224 divided by 7, or 8, 2, it is 2 into 128 by 7, or 256 divided by 7 centimeter square. That will be the area of the design which is shown in the picture. So this completes chapter 12, area related to circles. The last exercise is very important. 2 or 3 questions can be asked from this exercise.